So this channel measures the difference in pressure between these two ports and this one between these two ports. And this one's measuring, this one has no hose on it, so it's measuring inside the building. And this one is measuring outside the building. So it's telling us how much pressure difference there is between inside and outside.
What does it read now?
I don't know.
Oh, okay. So
it's kind of zero because the doors and windows are open still. This one measures pressure inside the fan at a gauge inside the fan. And so based on that pressure relative to the inside, it'll calculate the airflow through the fan. So the way we're going to configure it is, you see how it says 50 here? So we're going to tell it, push as hard as you have to get this to read 50. Okay, 50 pascals means I take a tube, a U-shaped tube with some water in the bottom, and I blow on it until one side is 1/5 of an inch higher than the other side. That's how much pressure it is. It's not a lot, but it adds up. So it's about, over a square foot, it's about 1 pound of force per square foot. Okay. Can somebody close that front door?
So what's the magic number? The limit that you have to hit?
We were doing the Passive House retrofit standard. So it's, when you pressurize it to 50 pascals, you're allowed to have one air change, which means you leak the volume of the building once every hour, one air change per hour. And the volume is calculated, of course, in a very labor-intensive way since it's a German standard. So you take out the walls and you take out the stairwells and the dust bunnies and all those things, and you get this like net volume. In the U.S., the volume is just the outside. That's easier. All right.
We're open again, Nick.
Tape off the ventilation ports. Okay, Grayson. So, not a very effective demonstration, obviously. The doors are open. So at a couple minutes ago, you might have seen this go down to around 400, 500. The target is 350, and we got just below that last week, so it passed. So it's 350 cubic feet per minute at that pressure. And when we first started, it was around 7,000.
Wow.
Which is more like a normal house?
More like a normal house. Yeah.
So obviously they kept opening and closing the door during that, so the fan was going.
Yeah, that's why it gets.
But if someone opened a window on the top floor, would the fan still?
Yeah, to run the test, yeah, we have to. And yes, if they open that up there, then that pressure will propagate down.
Yeah. What are these ventilation ports that you seal up?
So when we do the test, we're allowed to temporarily seal the 2 ducts that go to the outside for fresh air.
We saw that on the 4th floor, in that closet with all the mechanical systems.
What'd you get? Was the number?
It went down to like 500.
All right, well, thank you, everybody. Thank you, David. Thank you.